Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. In the next series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can create awesome mobile applications using the Ionic Framework. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to download and install Node.js. So go to nodejs.org and click on the recommended version. Click on this button, the recommended for most users, and it will be downloaded for you whether you're using Windows or Mac or Linux. It doesn't matter. If you click here, it will download the package. It will download the file that is suitable for your operating system. So once it's downloaded, you need to open it and then click on continue, and then again continue with the license agreement, agree, and then destination select. I'm gonna leave it as the default, and then continue, and then click install, and it will be installed. And if you are using Windows or Linux, you will see the same window here that will take you through the same process, introduction and then license and all of these stuff. And once it's done, click on close. And we need to make sure that Node has been installed. To do so, if you are using Windows, you need to open CMD. You need to open CMD if you are using Windows. And in Mac, you need to open the terminal. And then inside the terminal, you have to type node and then minus and then V for version, and then hit enter. And it's going to give you the version that has been installed. If you get the version, it means that Node has been successfully installed. If you don't get it, it means that it hasn't been installed successfully, and you need to repeat the process and make sure that you installed it in the right location. And again, for Windows, you need to follow the same process. In Windows, inside the CMD or the command prompt, you will also do the same. Just type node and then minus V and then hit enter. And we also need to make sure that npm has been installed. So type npm and then minus V and hit enter. And it's going to give you the version of the npm, which is the package manager, and it's very important to install packages and modules.